In today's fast-paced business world, managing your supply chain efficiently is the key to success. But are you still relying on outdated and disconnected systems that hinder your supply chain operations? Introducing Swift Cloud ERP, the all-in-one revolutionary ERP solution designed to streamline and optimize your entire supply chain. With Swift Cloud ERP, experience the power of real-time visibility into your entire supply chain ecosystem. Our software integrates seamlessly across all departments, from procurement to manufacturing, logistics, human resources, accounting, sales, and beyond. Say goodbye to inefficiencies and hello to increased productivity. Harness the power of data with our advanced analytics and reporting tools, providing actionable insights for better decision-making. Our user-friendly interface ensures that your team adapts quickly, reducing the learning curve and maximizing efficiency. Security is our top priority. Rest easy knowing that your sensitive supply chain data is protected by state-of-the-art security measures. Swift Cloud ERP, the ERP solution you can trust. Transform your supply chain management with Swift Cloud ERP. Revolutionize the way you do business. Visit our website or contact us today.